So welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the name of your store in Shopify. So step 1, let's click these settings. So click edit to change your store name. So click edit. So here we can see our store name. So we're going to change it. So for example, and after that we can click save. So next step, I will teach you how to change the URL of your store. So press the settings again and scroll down and we will see the domain. So scroll down and see domain, just click that. So this store name is my first store name, and the one that I showed you before is my second store name. So all you need to do to change your URL store name is click the connect existing domain if you have domain and enter your previous store name. So Hill Apparel. And after that, you just need to buy it to change the URL of your store name. So that's all for our tutorial in this video. I hope you liked it and I hope it helped you. Thank you. Bye.